Yeah, make we cook concussion rice today. Area, how na day? What's up, guys? How you guys doing? Today is concussion rice. Yeah, now the way to work today. Eh? Oh God, yeah. I don't put my fresh pepper, onions, and some crayfish with original mortar. We are not going to be using grinding machine because I want to pound it. I want pound down. I want make pound be. Let's keep for sweet way. Oh God, the traditional way of cooking. Concussion rice. Oh yeah, no panda. Here they go with our strength and our power. I will take the panda. They go. Small oil. I go add small groundnut oil. I don't put red oil. There's small groundnut oil we be going in for it because I love to mix it sometimes. Okay, after doing it like this, then I don't want the oil up. I don't want the oil to be hot. So onions, let's go. Onions, yeah. Oh, this oil rice goes sweet and sweet to this so sweet. My bonga. Crayfish.